everyone. Thank you for joining our third webinar in July. We will get started soon to make more people that they can start together. Hey, Nick.
How's it going, Michael? How's your morning?
Good morning. So far, so good.
I know. I'm excited. We've done 3 of these together, and they've had
Uh,
some really great content,
it did. And you did a really perfect job, Nick.
Thank you, Michael. You've been a great partner as well.
I cannot see the people, so maybe just let's get started in 10 seconds.
All right, that sounds good.
So thank you for joining our third webinar. Today, we will going to talk about the details of the stock security companies case studies. It could be financial investment company, all that sectors. And this July, we talk about the big category of the financial industry, the finance industry. That was the first was we did was insurance companies, and the second was a bank, and then finally now we are going to share about the stock security companies, like how they use our solutions and their case studies. And also the second one is yes, we are going to share about another one, the docs to videos in the how this doc how the stock security company can use with the docs to video to making the videos. Well, this is my third time. Introduce me again, Michael Jung, the Global Head of Business Development.
And my name is Nicholas Abram, and I am a business development manager on Michael's team. It's been great working with you doing these webinars, Michael. So before we get started, we're going to have one of our avatars do a quick housekeeping meeting. And this is actually one of our newest avatars.
This is one of my favorite time to seeing our new avatar that our potential the AI Studio users also can see things too.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Enhance Your Brokerage Operations webinar. You will learn about branded studio quality avatars and how they can enhance your messaging. You will also learn about docs to video and see some industry use cases. We have a bit of housekeeping. This session will be 30 minutes long. Michael and Nicholas will answer questions towards the end of the webinar. The recording will be immediately available on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started.
I really like her the kind of gestures.
Oh yeah, she seems very poised, I love her like hand gestures, like let's get started.
Right. And the outfit and all the stuff really kind of looks really good fit with the investment of those videos, I think.
Yeah, I agree. I would trust stuff that was coming from her mouth. And as you said, Michael, we can see all these avatars in AI Studios at all of the plans, so it's exciting stuff.
And what is her name on our AI Studios?
Her name is Nina.
Nina.
Yes.
So, folks,
yes.
anyone who wants to use this avatar, you can find it in Nina in the AI avatar selections.
Awesome.
So today, like we shared earlier in our agenda, the first we will going to share about how one of our stock security company, the customer, they're using our AI studios that we actually clone a real the analyst, and we also going to talk about the docs to videos. Well, I'm going to share more details of the videos, all the stuff. What we did is Samsung Stock Security Company. I believe everybody will know Samsung Group. Samsung Group also have the financial affiliate company. It's called Samsung Stock Security Companies. They do stock trading and also do supporting the IPOs and also investing many different areas. They have many of the analysts, and one of there's a famous analyst that is well known in Korea that has really busy hectic schedule. So the Samsung Stock Security Company came to us. They want to clone this person to create the video without filming this person. I was going to share that one. And Docs to Video, Nick?
Yeah, if you've been at any of our webinars, you've probably heard about Docs to Videos, which is our great new tool that kind of allows you to translate PowerPoints, PDFs, and Excel files into videos. But I'm excited to show you today's example because this is one way that we really see Docs to Video being very helpful for the stock security companies and investment companies. So yeah.
So let's talk about and let me share about the details of the Samsung stock security companies, like I explained. Um, there's a person whose name is Jung Myung-ji, and the Jung Myung-ji is pretty famous in Korea, in the finance in society. They came to us. They want to clone this guy, and I'm gonna play this video. This is the first time that the Samsung stock security company 8 months ago. I'm sorry, it was 1 year ago that sharing about what service they will provide it to the market. The Jung Myung-ji, the real left side of Jung Myung-ji is introducing his avatar and they explaining what service they will provide.
버추얼 정명지 팀장님, 간단한 자기소개 부탁드리겠습니다.
네, 다시 인사드리겠습니다. 저는 버추얼 애널리스트 정명지입니다. 제 옆에 있는 실제 정명지 팀장의 외모와 음성을 AI 기술로 합성해 만든 국내 최초의 버추얼 애널리스트입니다.
So that was actually it was 5 minutes long video, but I just edited it to make it shorter. The thing is that was a year and a half ago. I'm sorry, I just keep explaining the time, but currently they making video every day. Like they really love it, and I'm gonna share playing another video on the right side. This is actually their YouTube page. So any folks right now, if you're seeing this webinar, you also can search and type it Samsung Pop in YouTube in the search box. Then you can go to their YouTube channels. This is all true. And currently they're making video every day. So what the video content they are creating is like they're sharing about the daily hot topic of the people, what they are searching regarding with any of the company info. For example, let's say a week ago, there's one A company that there was radically the stock price was increasing. Then people will be more searching. The way they did before in 2 years ago, before they didn't use our solutions, they need to film this guy, this Chung Myung-ji, all the time. So the video of the creations and the creating the videos of the timeline was 2 to 3 days. Filming that person and do a little bit more video editing, a little bit getting approval from the decision makers, and then they finally post it. The thing is, they know that the grabbing all that the people who searching that kind of keyword, it is more important is the timing. So now they're reducing the timeline to creating the video like 4 hours to 5 hours. So once they see any keyword that people they can see, they're searching a lot. They find all that what that keyword is, and they just made a video at just a 2 3 hours and post it in our YouTube page. Posted on their YouTube page. So let me show what it looks like. So this is actually the Samsung the YouTube page, and you can see that there's 1.74 million subscribers, pretty big. You can see that all that green image thumbnails, this is all that they use with our solutions. And you can see the views is like 43K views, and pretty not bad. And
실적
if you
개선
click that
기대감에도
video, you can see
불구하고
that this is like a mobile
SFA의 주가는
pamphlet version
역사적
because
저평가
mostly people
수준입니다.
watching with their phone, right? And this is research highlight for
오늘의
2 minute
리포트는
2 minute video and showing about what that the one topic
당분간
of the
실적 둔화가
videos
불가피해 보이는
of the company info.
한화솔루션의 목표 주가를 37,500원.
And yeah, this is how our Samsung stock security company using, and they wanted to grab all that the new potential customer who are searching in that kind of company info, they want to keep engaged with that people and also want to maintain the retentions customer relationship as well. And this is really smart way like how our customer can use this kind of solutions. The 정명지 팀장, 정명진, the team leader analyst was the process was the 2 hours films and 2 to 3 weeks of machine learning. That is one part of the what we that is one part of our AI avatar creation is a 2D photorealistic that we can do the 2D, but we also can do 3D. And the last time we also shared about the photo-based avatar that we call Dream Avatar. And we also have a webcam or the person can film by their phone, like 2 minute or 3 minute video, and also can create their own personal avatar. We call instant avatar. And we have provided two applications. One is the AI video generations that our solutions name is AI Studios. And that avatar also can deploy into our AI human solutions. That is the functionality is a conversational AI. So the 2D AI avatar, the way that how we create the Jeongmyeongji, the Samsung Stock Security Company of the avatar, we actually film at the studio. So I'm gonna play one of that video how we film, and we also have a 3D AI avatar technology that is the different methodology how we create the 2D AI avatar. It doesn't relate it with the machine learning process. It is more that we're using OVR lip sync technology that need to have a 3D the avatar assets that need a facial rigor asset on the face on the lip mark and also blend shape that affecting to making the 3D avatar mouse movement when we get the voice data. And the last time we also shared about the 2D photo-based avatar as well. So 2D avatar, this is the way we film How Even Now. We go to the studios, we film a real talent, and this is one of our staff monitoring the video footage. And that is how we create high quality, hyper realistic avatar for 2 hours filming process and 2 to 3 weeks of machine learning. That we provide a full body and with gestures. And the 3D AI avatar that I explained to you is the OVR technology with lip sync, and we're using the facial wriggle asset with a blend shape to making the 3D avatar to make their mouse movement. Yes, it's more easily to do the gestures, changing the outfit. There, that is the pros. And the
Hello
2D
everyone,
photo-based
this is the
avatar
AI
that do
version
not
of
need to
Michael
film.
Jung. Don't
Just
forget
uploading
about
your
DeepBrain
photo,
AI if you're looking for a
and
generative AI
we also
avatar
using
solution.
those just large language model base that can clone with the personal voice with the really low data of the voice data. Currently, we also doing the creator challenge that if you guys subscribe AI Studios, you guys can create your own personal avatar by uploading like 2 minute short videos or uploading the photo. And this is the video explain how you guys can create easily the custom instant avatar.
Big challenge with a 10,000 prize pool. Use AI to auto-create videos and snag an easy 5,000 prize. AI Studios Creator Challenge.
Wow, how do I join?
Just remember these 3 steps. Step 1. Grab your phone and film yourself. Talk about anything and get creative with your gestures. Step 2. Head to AI Studios and use your footage to create a custom avatar. Just upload the file or record in real time on your laptop. Check the list, sign off, and hit the Confirm My Video button. Step 3. Write a script and edit your avatar however you like. Change backgrounds, add subtitles, and throw in different media. Super easy, right?
That's amazing.
AI Studios Creator Challenge. Don't miss out on the easiest 5,000 ever.
Check the caption for more details.
And that is also introducing our instant AI avatar. Hey Nick, why don't you apply this one to get the $5,000?
Oh, we can't do it, man. We gotta make sure that everyone else can get the $5,000. It's not internal use. I tried. I tried.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So that was pretty it, like how our stock security company was using our the custom avatar. and creating the videos and engage with their customers, uploading all that video content, speed and time. And that's pretty it. And now we're gonna share about the docs videos. All your turn, Nick.
Of course. So yeah. So this is going to be an example of bringing in a document that a lot of companies such as Fidelity will do, which is their investment report. And so from this, you can upload. You can choose your goal. You can choose your duration. You can choose multiple different languages. There's a plethora of languages to choose from. And if you don't want to choose the background, we have partnerships with Shutterstock. We have partnerships with other companies as well. In this case, because this is an investment report and the information in the report is important, I've decided to go ahead and just use the background. So when we actually do docs to video, what's happening? We're uploading a document and it's going into our system. We have a large language model that is going to be reading through the document, parsing the document, and coming up with a customized script for each individual document so that the video is relevant and on point and on task. And this really saves a lot of time, because often when people are trying to create videos, they get stuck in the writer's block phase. But we kind of circumvent that, we short circuit that, and we give you a quick and easy script using our large language model. So you can see right here that just by dragging and dropping in a document, wow, you have a script that's already being made. So each individual slide will make its script, and oftentimes people will say, hey, this is good enough. I like the script. I like what's being shown. I want to kind of work with it. But in my case, we're going to just wait a little bit longer for the AI to keep going, but I'm going to say like, hey, actually, I want to go in and edit this because I want to make sure that it's engaging. I want to make sure that it's fun, and I want to make sure that it is something that people actually want to watch, and we'll actually take that information. So let's go ahead and hop in this editor right now. And we're waiting. Yeah, sometimes, I've got a little bit of a slow internet, but we should be able to hop in there. Yeah.
But that generations, the content is so powerful. That is my favorite too.
Yeah, me too. All right, here we go. Cool. So in this case, one of the things that we kind of propose is, well, first of all, before we do that, I just like putting background sound in because I like, again, engaging videos. We know that videos are engaging. Videos with sound are more engaging than, blank videos. And so that's why we have this partnership with Shutterstock to give you this premium sound. But in this case, we recognize that, this is actually supposed to be presented by the person who made this report. It's Denise Chisholm. So in this case, we're going to give ourselves like an MC who's going to be introducing it. But we also have the ability for you to create the custom instant avatar. And this would be a great tool to use with custom instant avatar. So you could have yourself presenting your actual, presentation. And you don't have to have an avatar in every single thing. You can actually do a voice only. So there's a voiceover, but you can also do, instant avatars there. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to the final video now instead of just continuing with this, because I think you kind of understand the point of this. So we want to switch over to the other one.
So like, for example, like the custom instant avatar, once you made it your own avatar for a couple of minutes, and your own avatar can present on this video, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And we use Hayden as like kind of our stock avatar to show how this could be, but the instant avatar is definitely a powerful tool that could go in right here.
Right. Cool. Awesome. So let's see the video then.
Yeah, absolutely. Just gotta hop out of this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see the final video, how it looks like.
Cool.
In this quarter's investment update, Denise Chisholm, our Director of Quantitative Market Strategy, dives into the evolving market trends of early 2024. She'll highlight key investment opportunities that have emerged.
I mean, the music choice is pretty good, Nick.
Yeah, thank you. I mean, it's inspirational, and that's what we really want to have here.
In Q4 2023, the S&P
And
500
especially
sectors
this
largely
slide,
outperformed,
not showing the
with
avatar,
cyclical
only
stocks
like
heading forward,
listen to voice.
showcasing
It's more
investor optimism
concentrate
towards
that
economic
I can
recovery.
see was what in the
Real
chart, the
estate,
numbers.
information technology, and financial
Exactly. Exactly. And if I'm kind of skimming over this, I'm not really
However,
absorbing the information, but when I have this kind of presented to me with the speaker, then it's a bit more engaging, and I can understand like, okay, I'm focusing, here are the key points.
Right.
And again, I didn't actually edit the script, but you could. If there are things you want to highlight, you could always edit the script.
Right. And when you go to the
as
AI
we delve
Studio,
into
the edit page,
2024,
there's a script box,
understanding
right?
sector
The text
investment
box there, so
strategies
you can
becomes
edit
crucial.
yourself things too.
This update highlights
Exactly.
the deal of cyclicals, materials, industrials, and financials favored for their low rates and
Well,
high valuation spreads.
any folks,
Conversely,
like if you want to
defensive
see the
sectors
full of
like
this video,
communication
just you guys can
services
email
and
us and we
utilities
can
face
send it
challenges.
to you too, right,
The
Nick?
key to navigating
Absolutely. We could do that. Absolutely.
valuations.
Cool.
Well, I will wrap it up from here. That is the one cases, the docs, the videos. Little more details. Like currently, well, just currently most of our the Korea is the most advanced adopting this kind of solution, so we have most reference from there. But the Korean, we have 4 stock security company currently using our docs to videos, and they have their own templates. So if they have their own templates, what we can do is we can import that template in our AI studios, and we can also do API interfaces. And all the times when the stock security company making all that the contents on their CMS just go directly to our AI studios to the API interfaces, and with that template, and they also can create the videos. That is also really efficiently like how our stock security company can create the videos more scale and speed.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. That's actually pretty awesome.
Well, now a little bit our final thoughts about today's stocks financial investment the sector. What how was it, Nick?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, Michael, it's crazy how quickly this technology has progressed. Even a couple years ago, you barely had, you had the deep fakes, and you had Will Smith eating spaghetti. That was just crazy. And at this point, you have this kind of enterprise grade avatar that can deliver investment advice and be the friendly, trusted face in front of your screen that can like really persuade people to, look at what the good investments are. And so I think it's a really exciting time to be in this space. I think that it's pretty awesome to see where we're moving.
Yeah,
How
me
about you,
too.
Michael?
I totally agree. For me, it's not really much surprising because we have done this business for 4 years, but it's always interesting when I see something reactions from the new customer that always keep it remind me the first time um, one of our customer used the solutions and seeing their reactions. That's kind of very interesting to seeing it. And like I said, Nick, your experience, your thought about this is also reminding me that things again. It's really
Yeah,
good.
yeah, of course.
And in this July, we talked about the more details of the big category of the finance. I hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. We will continuously will do the different industry, the other industry, how they're using our solutions. And there's another new webinars coming on August. Can you share that? Thanks, Nick.
Yeah, absolutely. So we will be speaking with AI News. AI News is a news syndicate that uses AI to deliver news about AI and make AI more friendly and approachable to tech enthusiasts, non-tech enthusiasts alike. So I will be sitting down with their chief marketing officer and discussing kind of what they are, their story, how they use our solution. And just kind of their thoughts on the industry. So, keep an eye out for that. Date will be coming soon, but we're excited to have you join that webinar.
That AI News is also one of my favorite newsletter. Like they really giving a lot of good insights, content.
Oh yeah, they're great.
And there's another webinar from our AI Studios team. We'll share about the new functionality and features that we are providing still like our AI Studio user do not know. So that's also exciting webinars coming as well. So hope you guys will have really wonderful Wednesday, and thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.